Hello students, in my previous video I have discussed exercise 13.2 question number 1 and question number 2, and in the starting of the video I have also discussed the laws of the exponents which you have to use in this exercise. Now today I am going to discuss question number 3, question number 4 and question number 5 of exercise 13.2. Question number 3 is you have to identify whether the given statement is true or false. So first question is 10 into 10 raised to 11 is equal to 100 raised to 11. So you know this is the LHS and this is the RHS. Now you have to identify whether it is true or false. It means these values are equal or not. So first you have to solve LHS. In LHS it is given 10 into 10 raised to 11. On the place of 10 you can write 10 raised to 1. It means suppose anywhere 2 is written, then you can write 2 raised to 1, or 3 is written, then you can write 3 raised to 1. So now you can apply the law a raised to m into a raised to n is equal to a raised to m plus n. So when you will apply this law in the LHS, you will get 10 raised to 1 plus 11, you will get 10 raised to 12. Now solve the RHS. RHS is given 10 raised to 11. Sorry, 100 raised to 11. Now 100, on the place of 100 can you write 10 raised to 2? It means 10 into 2. On the place of 100 I have written 10 raised to 2. Now 11 was already given, so 11 you have to write. So you have to apply this law, a raised to m raised to n, multiple power law. This would be a raised to m into n. So 10 raised to 2 into 11. 2 into 11 means 22, 10 raised to 22. Now you can see the result of LHS was 10 raised to 12 and the result of LHS is 10 raised to 22. So now you can see, the result of RHS is 10 raised to 22 and the result of LHS was 10 raised to 12. Now you can see that 10 raised to 12 is not equal to 10 raised to 22. So whatever was given in the question, it is false. So you have to write false. So likewise you have to solve the left hand side and right hand side, and you have to compare the things. If it is greater, then you have to check the greater. If it is equal to given, then you have to check whether it is equal or not. So likewise you have to complete question number 3. I am going to discuss the question number 3 fourth part. Fourth part is 3 raised to 0 is equal to 1000 raised to 0. Now LHS is 3 raised to 0. You have to apply this law, a raised to 0 is equal to 1. Now you can see the base is 3 and the exponent is 0, so you can directly write 1. So in LHS the answer is 1. Now solve the RHS. RHS is 1000 raised to 0. Again the rule which you have to use, a raised to 0 is equal to 1. The base is 1000 raised to 0, again 1. So you can see LHS is equal to RHS, and in the question it was given that 3 raised to 0 is equal to 1000 raised to 0. So you can see it is true. So in this way you have to solve the question number 3. Now I am going to discuss the question number 4. The question number 4 is express each of the following product of the prime factors only in the exponential form. It means in the question numbers are given. Firstly you have to identify the prime factorization of the given numbers. Then you have to express those factors in the form of exponential. First question is given 108 into 192. First find out 108 prime factors. You can divide with 2, 2 5 are 10, 2 4 are 8, again with 2, 2 2 are 4, 2 7 are 14, 3 3 9 are 27, 3 3 3 are 9, 3 1. Now 192. Again you can divide with 2, 2 9 are 18, 2 6 are 12, again with 2, 2 4 are 8, 2 8 are 16, again with 2, 2 are 4, 2 4 are 8, again with 2, 2 12 are, again with 2, 2 6 are, again with 2, 2 3 are, again with 2, again with 3 1s are. Now on the place of 108 you can write 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 3. I have written all these factors on the place of 108. Now on the place of 192 I have to write all these factors. So you can write 1 2 3 4 5 6, 6 times 2 and 1 time 3. Now here you can see 2 times 2 is written, so you can write 2 raised to 2, multiply. 3 times 3 is written, so you can write 3 raised to 3. Then 6 times 2 is written, so you can write 2 raised to 6. Now 1 times 3 is written, so you can write 3 only, or you can write 1. Now you can apply the law in this and this. So you have to apply the law a raised to m into a raised to n is equal to a raised to m plus n. So when you apply in this, you will get 2 raised to 2 plus 6 multiply by 3 raised to 3 into 3 raised to 1. Now this would be 2 raised to 8. Again you have to apply the same law in this. So this would be 3 raised to 3 plus 1. So this would be 2 raised to 8 into 3 raised to 4. So this is the answer of question number 4, first part. So likewise you have to complete all the parts of question number 4. Now I am going to discuss question number 5. Question number 5 is simplify. The first question is given 2 raised to 5 raised to 2 multiply by 7 raised to 3 upon 8 raised to 3 into 7. First you can see, you can apply the laws of division in this. So a raised to m divided by a raised to n is equal to, this is the sign of division, a raised to m minus n. You can apply this law in this. So this would be 2 raised to 5 raised to 2 upon 8 raised to 3. This would be 7 raised to 3 minus, you can write 1 here, 3 minus 1. So this would be 2 raised to 5 raised to 2 into 7 raised to 2 upon 8 raised to 3. Now here you can apply the multiple power law, that is a raised to m raised to n is equal to a raised to m into n. So when you will apply this, you will get 2 raised to 5 into 2 into 7 raised to 2 upon 8. You can write 2 raised to 3, and again the power is 3 is written, so you have to write 3 here. So this would be 2 raised to 10 into 7 raised to 2 upon 2 raised to 3 3 is a 9. Now again you can apply the laws of division that I have written here. This would be 2 raised to 10 minus 9 into 7 raised to 2. 2 raised to 10 minus 9 means 1 into 7 raised to 2, or you can write 2 into 7 raised to 2. So this is the answer. If you want to solve it, you can solve 2 into 7 into 7 and you will get the final answer. Both the answers would be correct, either this or after solving this. So likewise you have to complete question number 5, second part and third part in your today's homework. Now I am going to explain what is the expanded form, how you have to write the expanded form. In 5th and 6th standard you have already studied how to write the expanded form of a given number. Suppose any number is given 3, 2, 7 and you have to write the expanded form. Then how you have to write? 3 into 100 plus 2 into 10 plus 7 into 1. Now here you have to write the expanded form in the powers of 10 in the exponent form. Suppose a number is given 4, 7, 5, 6, 1. So firstly you have to do the normal procedure which you have done in 5th and 6th standard. 4 into 10,000 plus 7 into 1000 plus 5 into 100 plus 6 into 10 plus 1. Now you have to write the expanded form in the powers of 10. Then what you have to do? 4 into 10 raised to, how many zeros are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. So you have to write 4 into 10 raised to 4 plus 7 into 10 raised to 3. Why I have written 3? Because 3 zeros are there. Then plus 5 into 10 raised to 2 plus 6 into 10 raised to 1 plus 1 into, now you can write 10 raised to 0 because the value would be 1 and you will get the 1 only. So in this way you have to write the expanded form whenever they are asking the question of expanded form and you have to write the expanded form in the powers of 10 only, not this one. You have to convert it into this. I am taking another example. Suppose it is given 3279. Then you have to write firstly normal procedure, 3 into 1 0 0 plus 2 into 100 plus 7 into 10 plus 9. You can write 9 into 1. Now you can write 3 into 10 raised to 3 plus 2 into 10 raised to 2 plus 7 into 10 raised to 1 plus 9 into 10 raised to 0. So this is the final answer. You have to write this expanded form, not this. You have to convert in the form of powers of 10. Then that would be the final answer. So in today's homework, you have to complete exercise 13.2, question number 3, 4 and 5. And you have to also complete exercise 13.3, question number 1 in the fair notebook. Thank you. Have a nice day.